Your vehicle's exhaust system runs the length of your car underneath the car's body. Exhaust gases leave the engine through the exhaust manifold and pass by the first oxygen sensor, then through the catalytic converter. Next, they pass by oxygen sensor number 2, then through the muffler and out the tailpipe. The catalytic converter is made of an external heat shield, the body of the catalytic converter, and performs a 3-stage conversion of exhaust fumes. In the first stage, harmful vapors enter the reduction catalyst, which burns off nitrous oxide emissions. In the second stage, the oxidation catalyst burns off the remaining carbon monoxide and VOCs. Oxygen sensors monitor emissions before and after the CAT to adjust the air-fuel mixture. The CAT's internal temperature can rise to above 2,000 degrees, and the internal structure melts and deteriorates. In your muffler, the explosive sounds from your engine enter through perforations inside. They bounce around the resonator chambers, which disrupts the sound waves, quieting the exhaust as it exits. Over time, water and corrosion can cause your muffler to rust and holes to form, allowing exhaust gases to seep into your vehicle from underneath.